Palermo is a marvelous, mad, Baroque city, and it's full of wonderful buildings. Villa Igiea is a stunning building. It's got a wonderful history.
Was very much drawing our inspiration from the building, from the history of the Floria family, how they lived. This was a center point of Edwardian society.
Villa Igiea was born as a private residence for a very important family. So we wanted to keep this feel, and every room you go through the hotel, you feel like you're in a private residence. We kept the past as much as we could. Here in the hotel, we have the most important room, which is called the Sala Basile, and we used actually that room as our color chart. From floors to ceilings to lights, we tried to source locally as much as we could.
I think it'll be one of our, if not one of our best hotels. I think it'll really catch people's imagination and people will love it.